Hi guys, it's Reborn Texas Mom here. And we are just outside. RJ's playing. You can kind of see it's raining. The storms are fixing to hit us, so we're just kind of outside letting him kind of play for a little bit. And I do have little Miss Eva with me. She's still in her little snowsuit. You'll be able to see it. I'm going to kind of step back so the rain doesn't get Eva. Go play. Go run. And we'll probably let him do this for about 5 minutes or so. But you can see it's coming down fairly hard now. You can really see it on my trash can lid. This way he could burn off some steam and maybe even take a nap so Mommy can take a nap. That would be nice. But yeah, go run, go play. We are under, sorry. They said we're under a tornado watch, but they pretty much, it seems like the last couple of times it's done this, they say that, but I'm not one to really worry too hard about it. It usually will pass after a little bit. Go run and play. You know, it rains hard for a little bit and then it comes down. And RJ is enjoying it. And there wasn't like, we were going to do kite day and video that, but just really not really kite weather. I didn't even think it was going to rain. But you can see the neighbors over there. That house is for rent by owner, or for sale by owner, but it's a rent to own. And they just mowed their lawn yesterday, so mine really needs to get done. Oh, here it comes again. Go. So, and they did their lawn the other day. And then my neighbor did his. His is always nice. So I really need to somehow get lawnmower or a weed whacker or something so I can get ours done. Because it needs done pretty bad. Go run. You can see it rains really hard and then it just kind of stops. You can hear the thunder. You can smell, or you can't smell, but I can smell there's a skunk. Buddy, I guess, tried chasing the skunk. And
got sprayed.
Luckily he didn't get sprayed. I mean, he smells like skunk, but he didn't get sprayed. He could be a lot worse. Go run and play a few more minutes.
I want to take off his clothes.
No. Go.
Why not for this rain?
Go. You can see it's like coming down now. Coming down, huh, babies? So the snowsuit actually came in really good handy for the weather today. And we were tagged by Nicole Bowling to do like the weird questions And I will do that video here in a little bit as soon as we go inside. Yeah. Yeah. Don't get your shoes muddy. Don't get your shoes muddy. Hey. No. Please. All I need is a chair to sit down out here, and I could be just fine listening to the thunder and the rain all day. No, stop. Don't go inside yet.
Why not?
Because you're wet, and I got to go get you a towel. Silly Billy. We have red ants that like to attack our legs. They're on this shoe they've gotten. Ah! I've got mine. I'm wearing my husband's shoes. I don't know if you can read our license plate, but my husband is a big Nebraska Cornhuskers fan. See, it's really starting to come down again. You can see how it comes down, then it stops. Oh, and yes, the babies will be changed into something different Friday. Or today, on Friday. I'm going to try to do a video every day. I finally got my phone kind of working so it will do videos. It still takes them a little bit to load, and then when they do actually get done loading, I have to go back in and edit it and make it from private to public, because it automatically goes to private, which I don't know how to get that to stop, because I'm like, well, why isn't it, you know, showing up? And then I have to go in and it's always on private, so I have to fix that. So if anybody knows how to get your videos to automatically go to public instead of private, please let me know, because when I did it with the iPad, it automatically just uploaded it. And when I do it from the phone, instead of going to public, it goes to private. So very, very frustrating. Okay, one more lap around the car. And here he comes around. Whee! Okay, I'm going to go get you a towel. Okay?
Okay, and I start sprinkling.
Okay. Bye, guys. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Alright, guys, so I almost did a big mess up and announced in front of RJ about the surprise. But luckily I was able to cover it up. But the twins, the big surprise, will be here Friday, so watch out for that box opening video with RJ. Alright guys, love you, bye.